Yeah.
Come back.
Come out. Come out.
I
Not
will just get chicken so Ninang Chris can eat.
why? Ninang Chris loves chicken?
Yes.
Huh? What else Ninang Chris want? Loves.
Carrots.
Loves to eat.
Carrots.
And carrots?
And broccoli.
Huh?
And
I think Ninang Chris is not eating vegetables.
no, Ninang's eating.
Really?
Yeah. But they don't have kitchen pack.
They don't have kitchen?
Yeah. They will choose what they like kitchen. They
Oh.
stay in their house
Okay.
and then the doctor will cut your tummy.
The doctor will cut my tummy.
Did
And-
you say ouch?
Yeah, I say ouch. But when I saw you, I smiled.
Like that?
Yes.
Mommy, can you put this a sound?
Why?
Because I want sound.
You already have sound in the TV. What sound you want?
Twinkle, twinkle,
Twinkle, twinkle.
twinkle little star.
Oh, y-
How I wonder what you are.
Are you
Mommy, no
mm.
shoes.
Who?
The baby.
The baby.
No shoes.
But maybe he is allowed because he is playing outside. Diba sometimes I allowed you not to wear shoes outside when you are playing, right?
Why? It's dirty there.
It's okay. Remember when you are in Alcundra, you play in the sand without shoes?
Mommy, can I get the sun in the beach and then I will play here?
Huh? You will take sand and then bring it here?
Yes. So I can play sand.
Oh boy.
Because I like sand.
Really?
Yes.
If you're not sick now, we will go to the beach and you play there, okay?
Mommy, later.
Later?
When Daddy comes,
Okay.
we'll go to the beach and then again I will make some castles.
Oh, like
I
last
have
time.
water in my eyes. Yet try to make sand castles.
Eh, you have to drink medicine so that you will feel better. O juice na lang.
No.
How will you feel better if you will not drink? Diba the doctor said you have to?
No, I don't want.
Vivian is waiting for you kaya.
Why?
She wants to play with you. How can you play with Vivian?
It's okay. When sick, it's
Huh?
allowed for playing.
Huh?
When sick, it's okay to go to Vivian.
No, you're sick. That's why you are
No,
not
sick.
allowed.